General admission, 1,000 pesos, ringside. So right now, let's give it up for Roland Tuyogon. Roland Tuyogon has got a record of 8 wins, only 2 defeats, 1 bout even, with 4 of those wins coming by way of knockout. And his official weight, 104.94 pounds, ladies and gentlemen, for Roland Tuyogon of Parañaque City. And his opponent, ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow he will be fighting out of the red corner. He is the former Philippine Youth Minimum Weight Champion. He is the current WBO Asia Pacific Minimum Weight Champion, but that title will not be on the line. He is ranked number 9 in the WBO, number 6 in the WBC, number 10 in the WBA, and number 13 in the IBF. The pride of Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Let's make some noise for Joseph the Hunter Sumamo. Official weight for Joseph the Hunter Sumamo, 105.2 pounds for Joseph the Hunter Sumamo, ladies and gentlemen. 4. If you want to buy tickets, natay tickets nga baligya diha nga place. Okay. Diha banda sa likod. Natay ticket sales din ang 500 pesos for general admission, 1,000 pesos ringside. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, Joseph Sumamo and Roland Tuyogon, together with our promoter, attorney Floricel Chavez Moro, and BYDO Sports Development Section Head Coach Joey John Bumabo. Good luck, gentlemen. And right now, ladies and gentlemen,